Wow! Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. This is a new design and it flies very well indoor and it flies very far outdoor. But keep in mind, this is not a stunt, this is not a long distance plane, this is a glider. So if you throw it from a top of a building or a peak of a mountain, it will fly for a long distance. Alright, so to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. But what if you don't have US letter size paper? Use A4 paper or whatever rectangle piece of paper, it should work. Make sure that the paper is not too thick as well. If the paper is too thick, the plane may not fly very far. It may crash quickly. Alright, so let's do it. First step, I will fold the paper in half this way. Then now I am going to press the paper down. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Careful. Alright. Now I unfold the paper. Okay. And I fold the paper in half horizontally. Okay, so let me adjust it a bit. Perfect. It's look already nice. Okay. On the following step, I will start from this upper edge. I start from both sides of the paper. I fold both part of the upper edge here to the center crease. Okay. Now this is what we have and it's look okay. Okay, it's look fine. On the following step, I move the paper up a bit so you can see it. Now I fold this part of the paper down. Okay. To fold it down, what I mean is to match this tip to this edge. Unfold the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Adjust the paper a little bit. Okay. Now I fold it to this side. And I can press the paper down. Okay. Let's look awesome. Okay, what is the next step? The next step is very simple. Just match this edge or fold this edge to this crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, fold it to this crease. Alright, so it's look awesome. What is the next step will be, this is a difficult step to do. So follow the instruction and you will make it. So I will start from both sides of the paper. You can see I start from both sides. I fold both sides of the paper to the center crease. So let's do it again. I'll start from both sides of the paper. Alright, I fold it slowly until it's flat down. It's flattened down. Okay, adjust this side as well. If it's not aligned with the edge here, this is not correct. So just do it slowly. Okay, once I finish this side, I repeat the same for the other sides, and now I can match both edges here together. If it doesn't match nicely, you can adjust the paper. Okay, so we adjust the paper a little bit here, and now it's look nice. Now this is what we have. If you know how to make a crane, this is the same step as you make a crane. So for this side, to the right side or to the left side on the screen, and I fold this here, and I have a crease. You can see this part of the paper. Let's open it and fold it down. Okay, fold this part down. Alright, so it's maybe not even. That is what you need to adjust the paper. If it's not even, you need to adjust the paper. Okay, perfect. Now this is what we have. You see this upper layer. Let's fold it up a bit, and then start from this edge, matches to the center crease right here. So adjust it. It's just like you know how to create a crane. Basically, this is how you create the crane step. Okay, same thing for this side. Fold this part of the paper to the center crease and press down. Okay, so we have this part open. We will fix this later. Here we go. Awesome. Okay, so this is what we have, guys. This look very nice. Now let me flip the paper over. Okay, you can see this part of the paper. Let's fold that. Here we go. So we have the head of the plane, the body of the plane like this. This looks already awesome. What would be the next step? I'll fold the paper in half. Okay, I'll flatten the paper down. Make sure that all edges are flattened down. And now let's fold the paper in half. Easy, right? Very simple. Let me adjust it. This is a little bit off here, so when you fold, be careful. Make sure that edges are lined up and even. If not, that's okay, because we're not make a plan for a competition. We just make a plan for fun. So if it is off a little bit, just keep going, keep making it. Okay, now I have the paper like this, and I'll start from the upper layer. Start from this edge, fold it to the other edge. Now I'll fold it like this. Okay, and I just press the paper down. Perfect. Okay, this now is very thin. That's fine. So this version will not fly very far, but then I will show you the next version very soon. So let's fold it like this. Okay, that is one of the easiest way to fold the plane for the wings. So now we finish the wings. Okay, let me adjust it and show you. Okay guys, so we finished the paper airplane, but will it fly at this stage? No, it won't fly very well at this stage. We need to create the stabilizers, right? So to make the stabilizers, very simple. Start from this edge first, but first of all, let's fold the paper in half, because it will be much easier to fold it this way. Okay, so I flatten the paper down and estimate about ½ inch along this edge. So I'll just fold this way, ½ inch. Perfect. Ta-da! And then I flip the paper over, repeat the same fold. I will start from this edge of the paper, I fold up, and make sure that the edge here will match with the edge below. Very simple. And I can press the paper down, and now flatten the paper, open it up. Here you go. So now you have a very cool plane that can fly for a long distance. But there's something that we can improve. Now the plane may fly far, but because the wing is too big, the span here you can see very wide. If you want to make it fly further and faster, you can make it smaller. Okay, but I will stop from here. I will not like spend time to make a wing smaller, because the plane will not look nice. Look at this, it look perfect. Okay, the top here, the tip here is not strong enough. All right, so I will open the wings. Since we have this part, let's match this upper part here. You see this edge right here? Let me hold the paper up so you can see this part right here. Let's match this part to the edge. Okay, so just put it down. Very simple step. And then fold out the wings. Here we go. See, now the head is stronger and the plan actually looks much nicer. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Okay, fold the paper airplane down and start from this edge. Okay, let's hold up again so you can see it. For this part to this edge, put the paper down and just fold it. Okay, and now fold this wing down. Fold this wing down. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here you go, guys. This is a new paper airplane. It looks pretty nice. Very unique. Not super unique, actually. Very nice plane. Okay, and if the plane doesn't fly, there is another trick. This is tips that I give you. Create the elevators. You see, in the case that the plane didn't fly up. All right. This is a glider. Fly it along with the wings. It will glide for a long distance. Do not throw it too hard because you may break the wings when you throw it. To add an appropriate or proper power, and it will glide along with the wings. Okay, so I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.